like somebody needs a cup of coffee.
You stick your finger in it?
What else would I stir it with?
Oh my god, it's Godzilla!
How much work we got left?
Shit tons of work.
Run! Bitches, run!
You idiots running around blind are gonna make us all asleep. Now, if you only see the beginning, middle, or end of the yawn, you're safe. But if you witness the entire thing, you are gonna yawn. Just like those motherfuckers!
Usually you're the next to die after a speech like that.
Punk ass.
You're our mentor. Aren't you supposed to give us like potions or swords? Why don't you just fire him?
Hey, Mike. You're fun.
Help! Got deadlines to finish. Just for one day. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. We've now moved to a new channel called the Milton and Glenn Show. Please subscribe to the link below for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.